This situation very bad situation.
Down there, spelling of mix.
Hey guys, I am coming. What are you doing guys?
उस चैलेंज का नाम है स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश। पूरे वीडियो में हम लोग अंग्रेजी बोलने वाले हैं।
Happens.
अबे यहाँ don't do it here.
Just shut up. Don't tell me Hindi.
I will
You eat
slap
every
you
day.
too.
No.
One give me a marigold biscuit.
Have to have.
अबे
Your daughter a big liar.
बीगल
speak in English.
No, do not say
about
Not.
the word पिचकारी.
Monkey butt.
ओ मंगल। तो अगर हमारे व्यूअर में भी कोई ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको हिंदी इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता है, उनके लिए मैं बोल दूं कि आज के वीडियो में हम एक चैलेंज ले रहे हैं और उस चैलेंज का नाम है स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश। पूरे वीडियो में हम लोग अंग्रेज़ी बोलने वाले हैं। जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे, जितने भी हैं हम सब इंग्लिश में ही बोलेंगे। चलो अब तुम।
So guys, put your hands and give a good slap on the future of English. So here we have something.
What?
Snacks.
Snacks.
So-
You have something snacks?
Yes, we have nut. अच्छा, हाँ ठीक. So here is Manchurian, original Manchurian, and Naughty Choco Pie, and Sprite, and Lahori Jeera.
Okay.
Okay, so you are laughing,
Show something.
and here's some
लाहौरी जीरा।
yes small happy biscuit,
And
and this is
take
Jal
one.
Jeera, Jal Jeera.
Take
Hey,
one. Take
what if you want something ना, you'll have to
Give me that Jal
ask the
Jeera.
name। हाँ।
So tell me what is Hindi meaning of this one? What you will call in Hindi language?
वाटर जीरा क्यों जल जीरा है ना
Water
sorry.
You are out of the challenge।
Just shut up. Just shut up. Just shut up. Don't tell me Hindi.
What is the name of this package? Sachet, sorry. What we call package? Small?
वाटर
sachet.
जीरा
Not water jeera. Tulsi Jal Jeera.
अच्छा
You take.
जल
You
जीरा
take it and
No,
go for
no,
it.
No, you don't have to, you can't give। हाँ,
If you want,
हाँ, you'll have to ask।
yes,
हाँ,
in English.
in English only। That is the challenge।
Can I say one word
You
in
can।
Hindi? In Hindi
Yes.
for this guy?
Okay। हाँ।
One give me a marigold biscuit.
Good effort. It was 90% near about.
And what about you?
हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे।
No, हिंदी नहीं, no Hindi, only English।
Hey, not in only English.
हाँ, only English।
Only English. You are not in India.
Go, think।
नहीं बोलने पाएंगे बाबा।
अरे सिखाओ भाई दोस्त अपना, कुछ सिखाओ।
क्या बोलना क्या है ये बोलिए।
बोलो one give me a on a Sprite.
स्प्राइट नहीं।
I'm so sorry. English.
ये दूसरा है, कोका कोला है ना।
चलो। अरे यार, even I can't stop myself to speak Hindi।
What you want?
तोरा का चाहिए करन बोल
What do you want? मतलब तुरा का चाहिए बोल.
तुलसी जीरा चाहिए।
तुलसी जीरा.
बोल सुड मी तुलसी जीरा
तुलसी जीरा।
अरे हमको भी नहीं आता है बाबा।
So I am going to take this chili paneer. Okay, hold on. I want you to pronounce it the name of chili paneer. What we call in Hindi language?
I take this one.
Sorry? Hindi of chili paneer. Chili paneer. Mirch paneer. Chena. Perfect. Mirch chena. The
It's not good.
only guy who got correct Hindi translation and she got 100 marks. Your was wrong.
Don't speak Hindi, yaar,
You
please।
have chance to get 100
I want
marks
this.
over this.
You want
लौटी
this?
चोको पाए
Roti choka, but translate in Hindi.
Okay, then only you can eat।
So change the topic, guys. If you want
अरे
to
यार
tell the Hindi name. What will call?
नरम चॉकलेट केक
Why are you not speaking, Vishnu?
Your daughter a big liar.
बीगल
Your son, I mean your son,
Was expected.
very big liar.
हाँ, he is actually।
Auntie, uncle, your son. It's your son.
Yes.
Yes.
हाँ.
No. Smiling like.
Whatever you speak,
How was your
directly
day?
goes.
How was
Very
your...
good.
No. See his face.
Tell me your fiance name.
What is blush? What was your day? No. Sorry. No. Tell me. Explain me. In morning to evening, what you do?
What you do? Your time
I
table,
do
your
nothing.
daily routine.
I do nothing. Eating
Hmm?
and sleeping.
हाँ.
Then who is spending lots of time over call? No.
The same question
You do
goes
not
to
spend
him.
your any minutes over phone. Big
I
liar.
am not using phone.
You always,
Bluff statement.
you are always using
I'm
your
only-
phone.
I am only
Bhoot
using
Bangla.
iPad.
English. Okay.
Hey, whatever you want, you'll have to name it first. In English only. If it is Bhoot Bangla, then you'll have to translate.
बाबा भूत बंगला snacks give me.
No. Bhoot Bangla is a Hindi name. It's a Hindi name. So translate this name into English. Then only you can get this.
Bhoot.
Bhoot is called in English.
G.
Booth house.
No. House is correct. Near about.
This is correct.
Ghost. Ghost house.
Ghost house.
Take it.
Okay. You should clap over his effort. He's trying to communicate. Ask Vishnu some long.
Why only Vishnu?
Okay, Vishnu, this is for you. Some long question. You have to demand this in English. Palak paneer. So, if you want
I don't
palak paneer.
Even I don't know the meaning of palak. Palak is called?
A green.
हाँ चीटिंग है देख रहा है चीटिंग हो रही है सॉरी
Chal bak, you are out of the challenge.
You can
You are
ask
out of
for
the
help
challenge.
if you want.
दिस इज रॉन्ग
हाँ.
Okay.
No. I explain you.
Don't do this, Mangal. Don't do this.
One packet Jaljeera, just put it in thumbs up bottle
And
एंड शेक इट
and shake it.
and after that,
shake it.
what happens?
After that,
Vishnu going to
what
drink this.
happened? What happens?
अबे यहाँ don't do it here यार, don't do it here.
बाबा छोड़ दो
Shit. अबे
Hey, leave it and nothing will happen. Leave it.
Okay.
नहीं फेंकेगा
भाई पानी दे.
क्या हो गया? अरे हाँ, speak in English.
स्पीक इन इंग्लिश
पानी दे.
पूजा fast.
Why you are
Come
talking in
fast.
Hindi? Why?
ले पानी ले.
अरे speak in English यार. Speak in English.
Take water.
Do it in English.
आँख में जलजीरा गई.
English यार.
English कैसी की तैसी.
Jaljeera salt.
पूजा दीदी also speaking in Hindi. Why?
Put it in.
Okay, sorry.
Cameraman, go back. Now let's.
My experiment was failed.
He always try to. He always try to
Spoil.
not spoil. He always try to give some pain
Pain
to us.
to us.
He always. He loves torturing. Yes. He loves torturing.
You taste this juice.
You first taste.
I was tasted.
Then I taste.
I tasted.
Very
He only made it, so he knows the taste already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you interesting?
No, I am not interested to eat this.
अरे he can't speak. That is why he's not interested.
Why?
I'm interested in.
Why you are not
Taking the flavor
interested?
of this
Your favorite food?
It's his favorite.
My favorite food is mixture.
No.
Sure.
Richard, tell me the.
You always
name
love
of,
every
What
chips,
is
every cold drinks.
Mixture is Hindi.
Mixture is Hindi.
अच्छा mixer is in Hindi word.
Okay, then tell the English one. Tell the English one.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Because mixture is already English word.
Oh, what is the English of jungle? We are here in the jungle.
हाँ.
क्या क्या?
What is the Hindi of jungle? Oh, sorry.
हाँ, please.
Hindi of jungle. Or
What is the
English
Hindi of jungle? What do we say jungle in Hindi?
Jungle is Hindi.
Jungle is a Hindi word. अच्छा, it's a Hindi word. हाँ, correct.
No, you have no idea. Okay, what is the
क्या?
English of jungle then?
Forest.
What? Oh!
IQ level.
IQ level. No IQ.
No IQ. Okay, you tell me a mixture word.
A mixture word.
Meaning.
You first ask him properly.
Mixture. एक मिनट.
He wants Hindi or English.
Mixture meaning. नहीं, sorry. Mixture word.
First ask him.
What word? Do you want him to spell?
Spelling. Total spelling mixture.
सब ध्यान. हाँ. Everyone look at him.
Focus.
Focus on him.
Tell me.
Everyone see.
We are keen to know your pronunciation. Please.
Everyone see.
He want us to not to look at him. Okay, we are not looking
You
at
were
him.
not hearing properly. So he did something, it was blunder. Mixture is a word
Do not
from Hindi language or from English language.
What he said, he wanted him to spell
The mixture spelling, yes, I know. But he is even not sure the language of mixture.
mixture is an English word, by the way.
Okay. I don't know.
You didn't know.
Yeah.
Now you got to know. So spell.
MIXCHER.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah. And the real
Are
spelling
you
is
putting some
MIXTURE.
headphone, sorry,
No problem, you
earphone?
tried.
Yeah.
Are you putting some earphone
I'm trying my best.
in your
Yeah.
ear? Are you putting
Now it is your turn to spell the meaning of
Yeah.
mixture.
I can't speak, bro.
Why?
That's Sonu's turn.
I'm not.
Being a part of this challenge, I can't believe even I am not able to speak English just because my surrounding is this. I can't believe.
Everybody.
I'm not including you, but also I'm stammering. I can't believe I can't speak.
Sivan need the environment.
I need actually.
Yes, I need. Guinea, mixture word was wrong.
What?
Hey, the public might get bored. Huh?
The
No.
spelling was wrong.
Public always show four people and entertainment. Huh? You know.
Guys, if you want anything, you can take. If
You
know
can
the-
name it and you can take it.
Because mixture was a very long conversational point. So I want you guys to put down the spelling of mixture in the comment box.
मत
Oh
कर
my god.
ले क्या हो गया क्यों if you can't digest don't eat
No.
No, if you want, you can vomit.
vomit on Guinea Pandey yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
My plan this and
He wanted to do that only.
I can feel this already. You are doing this type of nonsense behavior.
I can't believe I'm not able to speak.
Why are you laughing?
Vishnu, what-
Guinea.
चल जीरा
if you want this chips,
हाँ समझ रही हूँ.
you have to ask.
Shit, यार सब गिरा दिया. अरे
वाह मंगल
पागल है क्या तुम लोग यार? बंद कर वीडियो यार. पानी ला के दे. आँख में पूरा जलजीरा.
पकड़ ये पकड़ आँख में जल्दी घुस गया
देख वो देख के चल रहा है. देख के चल रहा है.
हट गरम पानी है
अरे रुक जा भाई. इतना मत डाल सुन. रुक के मुंह जल जाएगा मेरा. पानी निकलने दे.
स्पीक इन इंग्लिश मत कर यार डोंट डू दिस यार डोंट स्पीक
He can vomit and
you
I.
can you can't
Accident
not a
is
good
now
guy.
part of our life. We live with this kind of lifestyle.
Careful.
It's a happen always.
I cut this challenge.
He
I
knows.
leave.
You want to quit this challenge?
He quit.
I quit.
Bhai.
I
So
quit
guys-
this challenge.
This is called foot the bill. What you have done, you have to face that consequences comes in the way.
Why are you sitting, bro? You leave na.
You quit this game,
हाँ,
na?
he is not the part anymore.
Huh?
तुम लोग जो कर रहे हो वो तो देख के entertain होऊंगा ना.
If you want to be entertained,
नहा के आए थे अभी हम पूरा.
even if you are not a part, please speak in English.
At the very initial of this episode, he was enjoying putting the jaljeera inside the coke, and when he tried on himself, he fell down. You can
And now he could feel the pain.
yes.
Yes.
So
Thank you guys for supporting me.
oh, she understood. This is great.
It's about what is wrong, what is right.
Achievement. Yes. So
Do not clap you.
Why?
Why? The only word he can speak is why.
Yes.
Properly.
Did you see the intensity?
Because I know
you know what?
only.
what are you drinking right now? Oh, the fear of English language. You can see if I ask him, whenever I ask him, he tried to put the things on the table. He's not interested in drinking, but he was interested before.
I am not
You
drink
should take
this kind of product.
Soru.
What? Pardon? What you said?
This kind of drinks.
No. What you said exactly? Repeat the sentence.
I am not drink this kind of product.
But you are trying to open the
Yeah.
bottle.
He was trying to.
Trying.
Yes.
But
No,
I am
open the
not
lid then.
open.
You're not open.
I don't English, but only Hindi.
You speak Tamil, right? Speak some lines in Tamil.
Ask in Tamil.
Tamil Teriya.
Because
Come here.
Yes, I also
Because you
know
will-
one language.
have to face only one judge.
Sir language.
That is Sivam Pandey. He knows.
The language which nobody understands. Speak something in Tamil.
Baba, the one piece dana biscuit peno. Sap.
Sapte
I can
Ni
only
sabe.
watch.
Done,
Because
already
here
done.
I am.
Kudenge.
Kudenge.
I can't understand. I know only a little.
Hey guys, I'm coming. What are you doing, guys?
What happened, Sonu?
நல்லா இருக்கு.
Taste the nala irukkudu. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது.
எந்தடா இது குகடத்தை
Do not try to jump into the conversation that nobody is understanding, right?
என்ன கரதே இது
I
நல்லா தொடம் போனது நல்லா தொட
I am very sensible about understanding the flow.
ಅದ ಬೀ ತಗದು ಅಂತಾಡ
Nothing is meaningful.
So we all welcome you after a break. As you can see, she is having a mango.
Yes, after so many long time in this season, this is my fifth mango because I have allergy to mango.
Then why you eating now?
Because in these days I am taking medicine.
Guinea already taking a medical help.
Do you have something to say?
Doctor say to quite samosa to गिन्नी दी थी.
Doctor says say the same thing to you. Did you?
No.
No,
No.
don't liar. ठीक?
No.
No, what no?
What no? What no?
What no?
Doctor not say to quit samosa.
Then
She is sorry. He is
lying.
lying.
No, I am not lying.
Doctor said in your stomach heat. No. Very much kuda kachada.
Okay.
No,
so you-
only good food in my stomach.
That we can
Yeah.
see. That we can see.
Only good food.
Your
This
stomach.
is good food, sugar free.
Doctor says Vishnu's stomach already
very
90% working close because 10% working. Okay, then he man anytime Allah's pyara.
No.
Doctor tell them.
अल्लाह प्यारा.
Doctor tell them.
What he's
No,
trying to
अल्लाह
say.
प्यारा. भगवान का प्यारा.
What he's trying to say is doctor has
Yes.
warned him so many times to not to eat such things, but he's not listening to the doctor and
Every
I'm
day eating a
listening.
samosa, market food.
I
Every
am
day.
trying to quit
Every day.
samosa.
Every day. Tomorrow you eat burger, burger. Every food, every market food
Sixth
you
day,
eat.
I am not eating samosa.
Oh!
Only one day.
Only one day. You,
Yes.
You every day eat.
I
No.
will
You eat
slap
every
you
day.
too.
No.
I will slap you too.
no, you'll have to slap him 3.
Yeah,
One
four.
from my side.
I have slapped him 5.
Don't be a liar. He's very addict from his childhood. He told me that he want that. He's mama boy, mama's boy.
Yes.
Street food.
I
Sorry,
am
not
mama's
he.
boy.
He's baby's babu.
No, I am mama's boy.
Poha on the street.
Yes, poha is my favorite food.
But that poha made your liver damage.
No. Poha is
Healthy.
healthy.
Oh, bro.
I believe the
Where
same.
did you got this?
Hey!
Po-
Do
Don't
not
say about
Not,
poha.
not,
Anything about poha.
Then that it was
This guy fired this pichkari and eat poha
Yes.
every day.
Yes.
This situation eat.
Poha is
fire the
heartbeat of my
This firing
Body.
pichkari every day. This situation very bad situation. You know
Poha
very
is-
bad situation.
This challenge is
Cameraman, I
winning.
request you to focus on him.
This challenge. The entertainment best entertainment award goes to Mangal Pandey because of the word Pichkari. What happened?
Wow.
Oh my God!
Hey, save the chair. Save the chair. Don't save the man. Save the chair.
Oh, both will fall down.
I can't fight with her because she is my elder sister.
Oy. In the entire challenge, this is the only line.
Correct.
This is the only correct line. Hey, if you break the chair, now you'll have to pay for
It
it.
means Vishnu is the man of harsh time. He go well when he fell down in some bad situation.
Look at his
Vishnu
face.
not
Feels like shit.
Do not.
My face look like wow.
Wow.
After mango massage. Do not
Hey.
come to my side.
I take my
See,
revenge.
this hand is going
And after
Belgies.
that, we'll go into your mouth.
Yay! Yeah.
Hey, you moron. What you did, yaar?
Nothing. You do nothing.
Sorry. I'm sorry about this.
You shit on
My
his
apologies.
t-shirt. You shit on his t-shirt. Thank you guys.
Your face look like a monkey.
It is very tasty.
This guy face look like a monkey butt.
Oh, Mangal. Thank you for the lovely line. Hey,
क्या?
this? Clean it.
Please, distance maintain.
Clean it on your tongue.
Hey, if the...
Can I speak Hindi?
You can't.
No, you are allowed. Oh!
Yeah. Please.
ये मेरा नहीं ये तेरा बाहर में गया इंग्लिश सुन मेरी बात ये टी शर्ट मेरा टॉप मेरा महंगा है ज़ारा का है बोल रही हूँ पहले ही मत कर बच गई मैं पकड़ी गई इसको कोई
नहीं.
इसका दांत वाला मुंह ले दूंगी अभी नहीं वो सील पैकेट रहने दीजिए ओए ब्रो डोंट
Hey, leave it. Don't do it.
Don't do this. Some chili on inside. There is so many chili.
Hey, do not do that.
There is so many chili inside. So don't do this.
So,
If you
public.
want to fight me, you can come and some
hand
fight
combat.
hand to hand. Oh, sorry.
So, hey, everybody please stay here only. So, this is the end. Hey, Pooja, come.
No, this is not any. Wait, give me some time. I am going
What?
to maxi this whole video. You go
No,
that
no.
side. You go that side. I have
Why?
to say something about you.
No.
Go.
I'm a very good person.
Wait.
Do not call
You
by
want
yourself.
to hold this episode here so that we can continue in the second part?
Maybe on public demand. If you want, we can even bring the second part, the third part of English speaking challenge. The first one we did was 3 years back. 3 years back, as far I
And we have
remember.
more potential to entertain you.
But I believe this one is this video.
It was not up to that level.
Not 3 years back, 3.5 years back approx.
Maybe. maybe.
3.5, 3.7 approx. Do it!
No! Do it!
Mangal, hold this guy. Hold with your
No.
Your ticket was booked
I
in,
take- I-
confirmed in
I take
Narc.
Sorry.
Hell.
Open your t-shirt. Open
I'm
your
not
t-shirt.
catching this
After
man.
doing
yaar.
this,
Cockroach
your
will come
ticket
out.
was confirmed.
No, you have in your gala
Hell.
Tulsi mala you have though, so that's why I'm not putting like this. No.
No!
If he... People want to see the cockroach. Is that this t-shirt? Oh my god, I'm on the wrong side. Come on, Vishnu.
Oh, you have कसम को इंग्लिश में क्या कसम को इंग्लिश क्या
Oath बोल देना.
हाँ?
Oath. Promise.
Oath.
Promise.
You have oath of महाकाल.
Promise. He's very
Mahakal saves. He's
Religious man.
On the name of
Very
Mahakal, he left
religious
Jugini.
man.
I have
Hey,
proud
what are
on
you
this
doing,
boy.
man? What are you doing? What Alfonso?
Mango.
What mango? Say I'm plucking mango. I am
This
plucking
mango is named Alfonso.
No. Say I am plucking mango.
This mango.
Say. बोला I am plucking mango.
I am plucking mango.
Plucking.
Plucking mango.
हाँ. That means तुम तोड़ रहे हो.
This mango.
Hey, do not do it यार. Enough.
Wait.
He is going in coma after this.
ए घर के अंदर नॉट अलाउड गिन्नी छोड़ दे रहने दे चीटिंग हाँ शी इज चीटिंग शी इज एक्टिंग लाइक शी इज वोमिटिंग इनसाइड ए इवन इफ यू गाइस आर डूइंग वी आर नॉट रिकॉर्डिंग इट हाँ स्टे हियर ओनली You deserve to be treated like that. Don't do the same with her.
No, I am not deserve this.
You did. Because of this shit.
This man. Growing many infections and many bad bacteria.
Hey, put it here only. Put it here.
No, I am put it on.
On face.
Yeah. No. Face no.
You want her to
Body.
smell.
No. This smell feels like
Hell.
उससे कुछ नीचे होता है?
Oh, shit! Cameraman! Do not focus on that guy. Come here.
See them.
Whoa.
What they are doing.
Oh. Even if it falls down, I will catch it. Look at the mango.
Give me Meg. Go and help with your both hands. Vishnu, you can come and join the team. Oh!
पूजा एक बार
No!
I want to realize you Vishnu's pain.
छोड़ दे टोटो लगा के टोटो को छत पे चढ़ कर
No, you have महाकाल कसम. No.
Hey Vishnu,
No, you have महाकाल कसम. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I am touching your leg.
Promise me to.
Give us Starbucks coffee.
Yeah.
One coffee.
Promise.
Belgium chocolate with extra ice cream with extra choco chips.
This is my ice cream, okay?
My also.
ठीक है. Promise.
We. Cub.
So,
Whenever we
on the
we
name
go,
of a bribe, this fight has
smell your hand first.
the point of ending.
Hey, let her speak. Speak. Hey.
Do not dare to do this with me.
Speak. What were you saying?
So at the end, we can say we cannot continue this fight because on the name of few things what you had demanded. Yes, I know. I know already. It's happened.
So the
Your
English
demand
challenge.
was what?
Starbucks
Hey,
coffee.
the demand everybody has.
Yeah.
And just
For
Starbucks-
compromise.
Okay.
You guys
So-
all polluted campus oxygen.
Correct.
And
So-
credit goes
Eventually-
to Ginny Pandey.
Not
At the end, we are going to end this episode
Let us end here.
because the fight has been postponed. The man got bribed by
Just buy a coffee.
just by a coffee. Yes. So you can see the corruption here, guys.
Corruption
There is no
everywhere,
soul.
everywhere.
No, there is no soul. There is no self-respect. There is no revenge. There
She's
is.
my elder sister. That is why I am not fight with her.
Oh, so here was the moral of the story,
Yes, yes.
and we are on the point to end this
Yes.
video, guys. Put on the comment box. Did you enjoy it? Okay, so you
We want
continue.
you to be what do we say?
Hindi. Continue.
close,
I have
close the game.
Guys, we done this challenge, and you have to done this challenge. Whatever you
Hey,
want
there
to
is one-
comment,
Yeah,
whatever you want to comment, just comment in English.
That is the only thing I was about to say.
Yes. If 20,000 plus comment, we will continue and we'll bring you another episode with more entertainment.
Yes.
That could
What-
be
For sure.
anything.
Whatever you want to say, just
comment in English only.
yes.
Okay.
No, any language.
Any language you can, but try to comment in English because the video
Yes,
is about
put your
English.
support inside the comment box.
Yes. So thank you for watching, everybody. We will keep entertaining you. Do subscribe to our channel. We are very close to 2 million subscribers. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.